Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, starting with electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is the placement of electrons into the subshell orbitals of the atoms of the elements on the basis of energy level diagram according to Aufbau principle. Writing correct electronic configuration of elements are always useful to find many information like group, period, valency, variable valency, oxidation states, physical and chemical properties of the element in periodic table. For electronic configuration, Aufbau principle is to be followed, and to simplify this, this diagram is to be used, and this has been constructed on the basis of the Aufbau principle. So order of filling of the electron would take place. First of all, the electron would go to the lowest energy level of 1s and then to 2s. Then the electrons would go to 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, then to 4d, then to 5p, then electron will accommodate into 6s, and after this here into the 4f. So coming from 4f to 5d, 6p, 7s, and from 7s the electron will accommodate to 5f, then 6d, and at last 7p. So on the basis of this diagram, in general, we can write the electronic configuration in the order of the increasing of energies of the subshell as you can see here 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, and coming to the end at 7p. So here you can see 4s is of less energy in the energy level diagram and is more penetrated into the nucleus. So we can see this comes first, then 3d. Here we can see 5s comes first as compared to 4d, and so on. Taking the example of nickel 28, we can write the electronic configuration as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d8. So this yellow highlight show that nickel is the D block element lying in the 4th period, and 8th B groups of the transition metals. Taking the example of tin 50, we can write the electronic configuration on the basis of the Aufbau principle, and at the last we see the electrons are here in 5p2. So here 5s2 and 5p2 represent the valence shell. 10 is the p block element lying in the group 4th A, as 5s2, 5p2 represent the valence shell having the 4 electron. So it is present in 4th A, and the period of the 1050 is 5th. Taking the example of barium 56, we can proceed to write the electronic configuration as, and at last we have 6s2. So this shows that barium is the s block element lying in group 2a and period number 6, because 6 is here and s2 mean second A group in the periodic table. Taking the example of europium 63 of the lanthanide series, you can write the electronic configuration here in this way. There is 4f7 at the last, the yellow highlight. So this shows that europium is the F block element and lying in the sixth period. As we can see, the 6s2 is present here. You can see here. So period of the lanthanide series is sixth period. At the last, uranium-92, we can write the electronic configuration on the basis of the energy level diagram or the Aufbau principle. Here you can see we have the F3 in the fifth period, and we can see the process of filling of the electron in the F subshell. Uranium is the element of the fourth period of actinide series, and the process of filling of electron is going on in 5F subshell and is present in F block element. This was about the electronic configuration, and the electronic configuration has been simplified on the basis of the Aufbau principle.